In today's video, let's talk about how to activate your Wise debit card. If you ordered and just got your card of Wise, in order to activate it, you just need to follow a simple step. So first of all, make sure you have the card with you and then open up the app. Once you're inside of the app, head over to the card section. Once you're inside of the card section, if you have multiple cards added in, you might need to scroll left or right depending upon which card you want to activate. If you have not, if this is your first time activating a card, you're going to see only one card. Just tap on that particular card and you'll get a section of adding in a code. The code is the activation code which you will get on the paper or the letter the debit card came in. So when you receive your debit card, it would have came in inside of a letter or a paper. The activation code is written on that exact paper. So just add in the code that has been written in this section, and as soon as you do that, your card will be immediately activated. These are the few steps that you need to take and your card of Wise will be instantly activated. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If this video did help you out, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to hit that notification bell if you guys are interested in more future videos.